we'll be in a place called Kirisuru, and we're driving 4.5 hours north to a town called Nanuki, where we're going to be filming a project at this place called Sieku Glamping. So road trip time, here we come. Amazing drone shot across this field tomorrow afternoon at sunset. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Hi.
And we
have arrived at Sieku Glamping. We are kind of like in the middle of nowhere. We just saw the most amazing sunset with Mount Kenya behind us over there.
Wait, move over. It was so beautiful. The pink is gone now, but it was so beautiful.
So, we're going to get our bags, go get set up in that tent right there, and we'll take you for a little tour. It's pretty awesome. So we have our little deck chairs, portable fireplace, some firewood, lounge,
Check it out,
and check out this.
Look at this lovely bed. Looks so comfy.
It's huge.
It is huge.
Oh, sorry. So we have this amazing bed with hot water bottles. That must mean it gets cold. What do you think?
So nice. I love it.
Awesome.
We even have flowers.
Ooh. So that's pretty awesome setup for tonight. We are going to get our bags, get ready, get settled in, and then wake up early to film and photograph. So it is the morning, kind of. It's almost lunchtime, but we had an awesome night sleeping in our glamorous tent. Ta-da! Look how pretty it is.
It was lovely.
So we're going to go around and explore the rest of the campsite, take some photos, film some things, and just see what's here. Alright, so I didn't think we vlogged anything for a little bit. Anyway, we finished at Sieku Glamping, and then we drove down like a horrible dirt road to get to where we are now, and now we're in the
Always positive.
Always positive. We're in the Ngare Ndare Forest, and it's very beautiful. There's our tent. Woo! There's the car.
Oh yeah, well we filmed yesterday on the canopy.
Oh yeah, but there's our car that's not designed to go on a four-wheel drive track, but we did it anyway, and
we survived.
We survived. So now we're going for a 1-hour walk.
Yes, to the waterfalls.
To the waterfalls. So fingers crossed it's just 1 hour. We don't really care, but
yeah.
Well, this should be pretty awesome.
It's supposed to be beautiful. Well, the canopy was breathtaking, so I suppose this is going to be awesome.
Yeah, so we're going to take you to the waterfalls. Let's go. Almost there. You can hear it, possibly. Who knows? But possible. It's fine. So we just finished at the waterfalls in the Ngare Ndare Forest. They were really pretty. We got some cool shots.
And they're so cold.
Yeah, when I jumped in the water, it was freezing cold, so I jumped straight back out. So we're walking back to our campsite now because we're going to go back to the canopy walkway and film it at sunset. So yeah, so we're going back to our camp now, and then we're going to go film the canopy walk again. So
It's so beautiful. I can't wait.
see you later.